Hello. I'm Alex from Graphite Note, and I want to give you a brief demonstration of our automated machine learning platform. Graphite is a no-code platform to build, visualize, and explain machine learning models for real-world business problems and use cases. Today, I'll walk you through a really simple time series forecast. We are going to build a machine learning model predicting the number of product units sold in the future, based on historical data, without writing a single line of code. First, we'll start by uploading the dataset. Then we'll build a machine learning model in just a few mouse clicks. Finally, we will review auto-generated model results. Sounds exciting? Let's get started. This is our dataset with our historical sales data. We have two columns, date and quantity sold, and that is all we need to make predictions. Let's start by uploading this CSV. We are parsing the file here. And click Create. Okay. So now that we have our dataset uploaded, we are ready to build a time series forecast based on it. From the list of ready-to-use models, we will select a time series forecast. And then we will select our dataset. First, we are selecting our target column. The model will forecast a column quantity from our dataset. Then we need to identify a time-related column from our dataset that will be used for prediction. We want to predict 365 days into the future. For now, we'll go with the defaults for seasonality. In order to help achieve better model accuracy, we will select that US holidays may have influence on the sales patterns in our data. And that's it. We are ready to run this scenario. Graphite will automatically build the best performing machine learning model in seconds. The model is deployed and ready to use. You can see the accuracy and performance details here. This graph shows original, historical data, blue line, and the predicted model data, yellow line. By comparing predicted values with our historical values, we see how well the model is performing. The last date in our historical dataset is 20th of May 2020. Everything after that is what our model predicted for number of units sold. Next, let's head to the Trend tab. The graph shows the global trend Graphite detected from the historical data. Let's head to the Seasonality tab. Graphite detected that the biggest positive impact happens on Tuesdays, and that the biggest negative impact happens on Saturdays. Also, the biggest positive impact happens in August every year, and the biggest negative impact happens in December every year. On the Special Dates tab, we have a graph showing the percentage effects of the special dates and holidays detected in historical data. For example, clearly, the first day of every year has a very negative effect on our sales here. You can examine and export predicted data on the Details tab. And that's it. It is that simple. Graphite simplifies the use of machine learning in analytics by helping business users to generate machine learning models without coding. It provides a single platform to build, visualize, and explain machine learning models for real-world business problems and use cases. Predict something today. Try Graphite for free.